Yo. 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 Yo.
Ja.
Z E. He cracked that? Oink, oink.
Brr.
Wait! What the? Oh no! Ed, my little boyfriend, are you okay? Huh? I don't know, I like this revenge. Hey, watch out with Cobb. He's evil. I know. Huh? Oh gosh! Watch out! Oh my god!
Ouchie, my little head.
No! Where are you taking me from? For my cave. Oh. Huh? Oh Oh man. Wait, I know these voices. Huh? Yeah? Oh? Wait, yeah? Oh, you're here. I'm here because Carl just kidnapped me. Guys, we're not the only ones that get kidnapped. Look in the ceiling. It has me, two L's, yeah, G, E, and also Ka, which is the one that kidnapped us. So he's trying to kidnap people? Ah, I hate him. I hate him so much because he put a blindfold. I can't see anything. Oh wow. 3 letters talking together about the letters is on the ceiling. I'm gonna spell colleagues to apologize all the letters that actually beat me up for just hurting a letter. What? You can just... Why kidnap people? You can just spell it on your own with crayon? I don't care. Guys, I'm hurting you guys because you all your letters hurt me too. So I kidnap you and you and you and the others. Any question? F you. Are you kidding me? F you. You can just say the whole bad word. No, I'm not saying the whole one. I'm not saying the whole bad word, guys. YouTube is gonna monetize us. To monetize. I do not know how to spell it. Anyways, I do not care. You're gonna stay right there till I get more letters. Oh man, I hate my life. I mean, I like my life. Can you stop laughing, you little goose? Shut up.
Hi there. Huh?
Gah.
Oh no. Huh?
He's cool. What do you mean? What the f***? Take that. Oh yeah? What the? I can't wait, Roxanne's sister. I can't let her see this. I can't let her. Oh shoot. Stop right there. Oh yeah? Oh yeah! Oh yeah! I need to get home. I need to get home.
Jota? Jota?
Jota?
Jota?
I don't know why he became evil. That car letter is killing everybody. And he killed my boyfriend.
Hey, I feel bad to see your boyfriend die.
Yeah, but I don't even know why Cobb became evil. This is what I know. Oh my gosh. My sister.
Come on, guys, we can do this!
Okay, let's go, guys! Come on, guys, we can do this!
Try to catch me now, idiots!
I'm the one. I had to kill him.
It's complete! Finally!
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I won. I'm gonna go. Hello, dear. It's too late. What are you gonna do about it, loser? Wait. What the? I kill you! Ah? Alex? Why are you trying to spell that?
Oh, so you don't know? I will show you what happened.